Hello, District 13. It's Brady at the conference. Just want to make a quick video for you. We just created a District 13 group for you and tested it out to make sure that everything is going to be working as planned. And what this will do is it's hopefully going to replace the public drive. This will be an area where you're going to want to put templates, forms, things that your entire district uses on a regular basis, and we just need to work from throughout the day, as well as various other areas and things that we will discuss in this video. So let's go ahead and get started. We're going to log into the portal, get to the landing page. Let's go ahead and put in our password. And when you log in, of course, you'll see this main page. In the upper left-hand corner, you'll notice the 9 squares. There's 2 ways to get to this that are currently set up. One of them is if you use the Outlook webmail, and then also through the OneDrive. We're going to select the OneDrive since that's how we're going to be normally transferring the files. And over here to the left, you will see that there is a District 13 underneath the groups area. Go ahead and click on that. That will take you to, this is the main directory whenever you click on that group will be. There's a couple things already listed here. One of them is a document, another is a spreadsheet, and another is a video. The document was created just a little bit ago. It's actually modified 4 minutes ago. Just to give you an example, these will be files that you are going to want to take, say for example, from within the archive folder that you access from your desktop. There is a folder called _public, and when you click on it, you'll see a lot of the folders that you currently share there that were in the pre-existing public drive. So what we will do, I went ahead and I copied the administrative folder, primarily because it is only 9.3 some odd megabytes. Whenever you're transferring anything to this district group, you want to be cautious of what's put there, primarily because if you choose to sync your devices as well as this group, whenever anything gets put here by anyone in the group, that's where it's going to synchronize everything to your other devices, and or if that includes your home computer or any other device that you have wherever you are at. So please always be very cautious. Anything that is large in size, you're going to want to take note and be very cautious about that. Might bog you down a little bit. Okay, so I have copied the administrative folder to my computer just as an example, and what we're going to do is basically just upload and transfer this whole folder onto the District 13 group. So we're going to click on the upload and click on the folder option. Since this was put to my computer, we're going to go ahead. I'm going to just actually do this administrative folder. And you'll see that it is currently uploading 39 items, and it is done. Okay, great. Whenever I click on that folder, you'll see the items that it contained. Looks like we got some documents, an executable file, PDF, and a web page. Okay, good. All we have to do is start adding and including some of these files that you're currently using into this area, and you're going to want to organize it according to the way that best works for your office. Some people choose to have, of course, a top folder directory and then subfolders. And others kind of like to try to avoid copying multiple duplicate, triplicate files and folders, so they actually just start listing them in this main area here. This will certainly be up to your discretion. Okay, now you'll take a look here. I've got a document that was made. Simply clicked on it, opens up in a new window. This will just be an example for you that you use with the documents that you use. I would say the majority of them already have text and things in them, so once they are there, you want to just open it. It opens in read only, and then you'll want to, if you are planning to edit it, you'll either edit it in your Word that's installed on your computer locally, or you'll edit in Word Online. So in this case, we're just going to run through a quick test. 1:07 p.m. and it's currently saving that information. Once that's completed, we'll just close this out. Looks like it is done. If we refresh the browser, just a few seconds ago, it had updated that file. Same goes with the spreadsheet, and really anything placed here. Now we get into some more user-specific areas, and this is if you're wanting to use your personal files to share with the group. You can do it this way, or you can simply just take what you have, and if you know that you're going to be sharing them with the group, you can just put it out there so that everyone can access it in the group without having to share and send an email link or the process that's currently used for that. Over here in the shared with us area, you'll notice that currently right now there are 3 items shared with me. When I go back to files, normal structure, got another group here. I'm going to go to my files, and I created one here called D13 Shared. This is in my personal account, so if I wanted to share this with the group, all I'd have to do is right click on this, click share. I can immediately see who it is shared with, and that's currently no one. However, I'd like to share that, and I want to share that with you, with your group. There is a D13 group, and that is the group for your entire district. I'm going to say that you all can currently view only. I will ask that you require sign in, and I will send an email invitation. Everyone that's joined to the group will get an email invitation once this share button is clicked. Once that goes out, you'll see that it is creating everything, and I actually just got an email when that went out. So if I actually clicked on mail, you'll see that the email that got compiled because of the share command that I sent to it said that I now have access to this D13 Shared.docx file. If I click on that, it is a link that'll take me directly to that shared file. Very good. So I'm going to go back to the OneDrive. And you also probably noticed that there was also a District 13 link there to get to the group as well. Now, as you see here within my folder, that file is now shared to the full D13 group. And this is in my personal folder. So there may be some things that I want to share out with everyone, or I may just want to go ahead and take that file and place it here in this entire group. And when I do that, it's shared with everyone. Everyone has access, and there is no cutoff from anyone. Okay. You will see over in Shared With Us, because that was mine, nothing showed up for me because it was shared out from my account. But when you're logged in with your account, you will see the items that are shared with everyone else in their area. If you do decide to, well, you'll notice here there is a recycle bin link. Things that I have deleted from my account go into this recycle bin. Things that actually get placed in the files area go only to the recycle bin of those who actually deleted. And what I mean is I had created several other documents in this files area, and another person who was part of the group deleted them. Well, it actually put them in his recycle bin instead of mine. So just remember that. There's just a few other things, and I think that will pretty much cover this introduction area. If nothing is selected over here, you'll basically at the forefront be able to click and either create folders, Word documents, workbooks, presentations, OneNote. Of course, you can also upload individual files or folders, or click Sync. And over here within the District 13 Groups area, it will allow you to sidestep from this group area and actually go into a few other areas that include Outlook, such as conversations you've had regarding the whether it is an actual conversation or it is a shared file submission that you sent that created a link and sent it out to everyone within the group, as well as calendaring. Of course, you can go to the members who are part of the group, and you'll see a few other areas within here. And once we actually get everyone listed in the group, you will see your name plugged in here as well. Let's go back to OneDrive. Back to your District 13 group. And the other option is if you had something highlighted here or selected, gives you a few options from the toolbar. Pretty much the same thing that you can do with a right click. Just basically download it, download the file, open it in Word Online, open in Word locally on your computer, share the file with everyone or individual people, get a link and send it to an external resource, rename it, delete the file, copy to a different folder or move to a different folder, get some specific details on it. Whenever you click on that, it will open up the info bar over here on the right hand side, give you a preview of what is on the document, and give you some options here. You can immediately add people, get the link, and see who is actually a part of being able to access this file. Well, that pretty much wraps up this introductory for the District 13 groups. If you happen to have any comments or questions, please contact the service desk, or you can reply to myself at baburba@tndagc.org. It's my email, of course. And we'd love to get your feedback. This will be a primary resource we feel, other than the current documents that you have in your files, of course. But as we continue to roll through the program and see improvements made, certainly excited to see what's going to be taking place. And of course, there are some additional features as well. But we'll get into that soon enough. Thank you very much. Have a wonderful day.